In the name of Allah, the Compassionate, the Merciful, Arts and Humanities, Lubna Mehboob Librarian, MLIS, GoVT Girls Degree, College KTS, Haripur Unit, Noburam 1-1, What is education? 2 definitions of education. 3 importance of education. 4 types of education. 5 formal education. 6 informal education. 7 non-formal education. What is education? The word educate comes from Latin educere, meaning to lead out, to bring out. To educate means to bring out of child, the student, that spirit of learning and wonder, the desire to know, that thirsts for knowledge. What is education? True education is the harmonious development of the physical, mental, moral, and social. The 4 dimensions of life. The illiterate of 21st century will not know those who cannot read and write, but those who cannot learn, unlearn, and relearn. Definitions of education. 1. Webster defines education as the process of teaching to develop the knowledge, skill, or character of the student. 2. Education is the process of bringing desirable change into the behavior of human beings. 3. It can also be defined as the process of imparting or acquiring knowledge and habits through instruction or study. 4. Sociologist Rodney Stark declares that education is the cheapest, most rapid, and most reliable path to economic advancement under present conditions. 5. According to John Dewey, education is the process of living through a continuous reconstruction of experience. It is the development of all those capacities in the individual which will enable him to control his environment and fulfill his possibilities. 6. According to Spencer, education is complete living. Savvy education is the delivery of knowledge, skill, and information from teachers to students. Education is the constant instruction among people and the objective world. Any experience that mostly the behavior. 7. According to Heinrich Pestalozzi, education is natural, harmonious, and progressive development of man's innate power. 8. Education is the deliberate, systematic, and sustained effort to transmit, provoke, or acquire knowledge, values, attitude, skills, or sensibilities, as well as any learning that result from effort. Kremen, Public Education, p. 27. Lastly, the aggregate of all the processes by which a person develops abilities, attitudes, and other forms of behavior of practical values in society in which they lives. Importance of education. The importance of education is an important issue in one's life, key to success in future, and to have many opportunities in our life. Having education in an area helps people think, feel, and behave in a way that contributes to their success and improves not only their personal satisfaction but also their community. 1. Citizens of a country understand their true potential through the means of education. 2. Education helps in getting and individual a good-paying job, which helps in improving the economic status of his/her family. 3. An educated person can strive for the betterment of the country. 4. Educated individuals helps in creating more jobs for everyone. This helps in so hiring the problem of unemployment. 5. Education teaches everyone the importance of peace and brotherhood to achieve the world peace and prevent war. Education is important. 6. Education helps us to take right decisions in our life. 7. Education helps us to improve our career and our personal growth. 8. Education improves the confidence of a person in his life, and confidence is an important key to success. 9. Education in society is very important because educated persons are treated equally on the basis of their knowledge. There is no discrimination. 10. Education can increase social status. An education from a respected educational institution can open lots of doors for you. 11. Drives economic growth through skilled labor.